Hello everyone, Aditya here, and I hope everything is going well with you guys. So, a few days back, I have posted a video in communities asking you guys that I am planning to create videos on Archcraft, and with the poor speaking skills, should I continue it or not? And I've got so many positive feedbacks, and as I have promised, I'm going to start this series. Once again, my English is not good, okay? I don't really use it on daily basis. It's not my primary language. So try not to judge the accuracy and accent. Though I'll try my best to be as accurate as possible. Alright. So again, thank you for your support and for the motivation. And I really appreciate your feedbacks. Alright, so this is going to be the first video of this series, and we are not going to do much in this video. We will just explore the website. We will see how to download the ISO, how to verify the authenticity of the ISO, and yeah, that's all. We are not going to do much in this video. In upcoming videos, we will explore more things. Alright, so let's just not waste time anymore. Press Super W, that will open Firefox. We will going to learn the key bindings in the OpenWorks video. Alright, so just forget about the key bindings right now. Okay, archcraft.io, this is the website, and we are here at the home page of Archcraft. Archcraft, yet another minimal Linux distribution based on Arch Linux. Yes, yet another minimal. Another because there are so many Linux distribution out there and so many Arch based Linux distributions, and this one is also one of them. So what is Archcraft? As mentioned here, Archcraft is just Arch Linux. Alright, it is nothing special. It is just Arch Linux but with pre-installed window managers pre-configured, and few basic applications pre-installed like a file manager, text editor, web browser, few audio tools, video tools, networking tools. Basically it's a ready to go operating system. All right, nothing special about it really. To the next section, features. What are the features? Minimal. Yes, it is minimal because it doesn't use any bulky desktop environment. So yeah, it's really minimal. Stunning. Yeah, not really stunning, but yeah, it looks good. It looks fine. Powerful, yes, because it's Arch Linux and you have the access to AUR, which is Arch user repository. You can install any application on Arch Linux with the help of AUR. Basically, you won't find these applications on other Linux distribution, but you are definitely going to find that particular application on AUR. Alright, and since it is lightweight and you have AUR, you can install pretty much everything and use it on your computer. Alright, to the next section, communities. Yes, we have a few communities of Archcraft on these platforms, which is Reddit. There is a subreddit Archcraft, and a Discord server, and a Telegram channel, and a Matrix room, or whatever you call it. I'm not really active here, not at all. I'm more active on these two platforms, Discord and Telegram. Sometimes on Reddit, but not that much. Okay, if you can find me here. Next section, need a custom Linux OS. Yeah, not everyone really wants a customized Linux operating system, but that's the story for another day. Sorry. Yeah, to the bottom of it, sponsor. Of course, if you like Archcraft, sure, you can sponsor me on GitHub. Important link, this is the Archcraft GitHub page. Alright, here you can find the ISO profile for Archcraft. Here the release files, you can open an issue by clicking here, and this is my GitHub profile. Alright, yes, this is the Archcraft GitHub profile. Alright, so that's all about this page. Let's move to the next page, download. Alright, we are here at download page. Here you can find the latest release. As you can see here, this is the latest release. I have released it last month in October. The username and password for the live session is live user. You don't really need it. Actually, when you boot the ISO, it automatically logs you into OpenBox Window Manager. But when you try to log into BSPWM, which is a secondary window manager, you don't need that password to log into that WM. Archcraft is only available for 64-bit architecture, yes, and there is no 32-bit ARM WSL editions, and perhaps never going to be, yes, because WSL, nah, not gonna do that. 32-bit, no. ARM, yeah, maybe in future when I get my hands on Raspberry Pi, then maybe I will try to port the Arch Linux ARM into Archcraft ARM, but really not sure about that. Okay, available sorry, available options. There are 3 options available for you to download the ISO. First one is source, which is the default one. Other one is Google Drive, and the last one is Mega. Alright, previously I used to release Archcraft on GitHub, but GitHub doesn't allow you to upload files which are more than 2 gigabytes in size, and Archcraft is not anymore under in 2 gigabytes. It's so anyway, GitHub is not an option anymore. These are just temporary. I'll try to find a hosting and then I will host the ISO there. Okay, so let's just download the ISO. Let's click on SourceForge. As you can see here, it is trying to download the ISO, but let's skip that and click on Archcraft. Go to files, and you can find all the releases that ever existed for Archcraft. The first one was July, is it? Yes, July 2020. Here is the latest release. What is the meaning of this V23.0? It is not a version, okay, it's just a release tag. So 10 is for October, 23 is for 2023. Okay, as you can see here, there are 3 files. This is the ISO file, it's a checksum file, it's a signature file. Now download all 3 files if you really want to verify the authenticity of the ISO, if you really care about that. Otherwise, just download the ISO, it's all fine. I have already downloaded the files here. As you can see, this is the ISO, checksum and signature file. Alright, let's just close this tab, move to other section, verify the ISO. Once again, if you really want to verify the authenticity of the ISO, you really need these 2 files here, GB signature and checksum files. And as mentioned here, assuming that you have downloaded these files and these files are in the same directory, as you can see, they are in the same directory, and it is recommended, and because it's for your use. Okay, open the terminal here. Now just copy this command if you want to fetch the details about the particular key. This is of course my key, and yes, as you can see, it is associated with me. That's my name, that's my email. Now let's just verify the signature file. Just copy this command, paste it here. Assuming signed data is in the ISO, yes, ISO is in the same directory and the signatures are verified. Okay, good signature from me. Yes, so you have verified the signature. Now let's just verify the checksum. Again, ISO is in the same directory and checksums. Okay, so yes, you have the authentic and genuine ISO, right? Everything is okay. That's pretty much here. Now to the next page, which is flavors. Sorry. So there are 2 more flavors of Archcraft, which is Archcraft XFCE and Archcraft LXDE. Again, nothing special about these 2 flavors. This one comes with XFCE desktop environment and this one comes with LXDE desktop environment. So yeah, though you have the special features of Archcraft in these flavors, like theming, there are of course 20-25 themes for both ISOs. You have fully customized XFCE desktop environment, you have customized terminal, you have themed everything. So yes, Archcraft goodies, I guess. Yeah, these 2 flavors currently. Now to the next page, premium. So these are just a bunch of exclusive things like configurations, exclusive window managers, etc., variant compositor, etc. So basically you support Archcraft and in return you will get a gift. It's a win-win for both. So here Archcraft doesn't accept donations. Yes, you don't really need to donate for it. You can just buy any exclusive thing, and in a way you are supporting Archcraft, and with your support I will be able to, you know, maintain it, keep it alive, create more amazing stuff for you. So yes, there is Archcraft Prime ISO. It comes with OpenBox, VSPWM, i3 and all the exclusive variant compositor, pre-installed, pre-configured, everything in a single bootable ISO. So yes, if you want everything, all you need to do is to grab this ISO. And these are premium versions, which mean they have more themes, Pi1 support, etc. So yeah, you can get that ISO if you want. Same for the variant ISO. And if you don't really want everything, there are separate packages available for everything, like Sway, Bayfire, River, you have Hyperland, you have any WM desktop, and all these variant compositors are fully configured and customized. Alright, then we have OpenBox Premium, VSPWM Premium, i3 Premium, Qtile Premium, everything. Again, separate packages. If you want, you can get them. To the next page, which is Gallery. Here you can find the screenshot of each window manager's variant compositor and desktop environments. Alright, I'm not gonna. Alright, let's just click on Sway. So these are the screenshots here. Alright, let's just click on OpenBox. You can see internet is pretty slow at this time because everyone in my home playing videos, etc. So yeah, you can find a screenshot for each window manager and variant compositor here. Okay, so let's move to the next page, which is more. We are going to explore these in a bit. Again, about the releases, new ISO will be released quarterly, which means in January, April, July, October. I have just released the October ISO, and yes, just some information, and yes, again, a sponsorship if you want. Never mind. Let's go to the wiki. Okay, again, some text, and not much here, but just some basic things that you really need. We are going to explore these two things in detail in upcoming videos. Next video, basically, when I will be creating a bootable USB and try to boot the ISO in VirtualBox. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much for today. And again, not going to do much in this video. This is just a first video, interactive video, and sorry. Alright, so that's pretty much for this video. And in the next video, I will be creating a bootable USB for Archcraft, and then we will try to boot the ISO in VirtualBox. Basically, I will tell you how to boot the ISO the correct way in VirtualBox. I have seen so many people complain about the resolution is messed up, the bar is not scaling, the wallpaper is stretched, and so in the next video I'll be dealing with those things. Anyway, that's it for this video. Please let me know how is it, how is the sound quality. Of course, I'm going to edit the audio in Audacity. I'll try to remove the background noises. This is why I am recording this video in night, because during daytime it's already impossible to record a video with all those vehicle noises, children playing. Anyway, ignore the background noise. I will edit the audio in Audacity, and I'll try to improve the audio quality as well. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Alright, have a good time.